If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Valorant, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Restart your computer. Begin by restarting your computer. This simple step can clear temporary files and processes that may be causing the loading issue. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Disconnect and reconnect your network, or try using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi to improve stability. Step 3. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. Step 4. Repair game files. Open the Riot client, go to Valorant, and select the option to repair game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can resolve loading issues. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This will ensure you have a fresh installation of the game, potentially fixing any underlying issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the stuck loading screen issue in Valorant. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.